Way they go. Winner take all, rushing up Senor G. Down on the inside, Madam Leonora rushing up Devil in Disguise and running by the roll. Amazing pace on their further outside. Thrill of Victory. Winner take all, Do Re Mi Fly, Adai Fly, Storm Place running at the tail of the field. Devil in Disguise alongside Senor G. In between runners is Madam Leonora. It's Madam Leonora, Senor G from the outside, Devil in Disguise, amazing face. And rounding the far turn, Madam Leonora by ahead, Senor G on the outside. Senor G from the outside, Madam Leonora down on the inside. Amazing face, Devil in Disguise, and rushing up Thrill of Victory as they race the final corner. Senor G by about 4 lengths now. Madam Leonora down on the inside. Devil in Disguise, amazing pace. Thrill of Victory, winner take all, and Storm Play. And nearing the finish line, better go down and collect. Number 7, Senor G. Madam Leonora. Thrill of Victory, Devil in Disguise, and for your Fenta Fecta, amazing face.